Classic car rear end quiz. Can you identify these muscle cars from their rear ends only? Ready for a challenge like no other? In this quiz, we're testing your muscle car knowledge in a totally unique way. Can you name these legendary machines just from their rear ends? This muscle car's rear features a distinctive rear spoiler and a wide set of quad taillights. First introduced in 1968. What car is it? A. Ford Mustang GT. B. Dodge Charger. E. RTC. Chevrolet Camaro SS. D. Pontiac GTO. Correct answer, B. Dodge Charger RT. This car's rear end includes sharp, rectangular taillights and a distinctive rear bumper with a center exit exhaust. What car is it? A. Chevrolet Corvette Stingray. B. Pontiac Firebird. C. Dodge Challenger. D. Ford Mustang Mach 1. Correct answer, A. Chevrolet Corvette Stingray. This muscle car's rear features a prominent GT badge coupled with distinctive round taillights, introduced in the early 1970s. What car is it? A. Plymouth Road Runner. B. Ford Torino GT. C. Chevrolet Chevelle SS. D. Dodge Challenger RT. Correct answer, B. Ford Torino GT. This car has round, iconic taillights that sit in a narrow horizontal panel, and its rear is marked with a GT badge. What car is it? A. Shelby GT350. B. Mustang Mach 1. C. Ford Mustang GT. D. Dodge Dart GT. Correct answer, C. Ford Mustang GT. The rear of this muscle car features a distinctive round taillight ring look and a spoiler, often associated with late 1960s American muscle. What car is it? A. Plymouth Barracuda. B. Chevrolet Camaro Z28. C. Dodge Challenger. D. Pontiac GTO. Correct answer, C. Dodge Challenger. This rear end is defined by a sleek, rounded set of taillights and a long, continuous rear bumper. What car is it? A. Chevrolet Corvette C3. B. Dodge Charger. C. Buick GSX. D. Pontiac Firebird. Correct answer, A. Chevrolet Corvette C3. This muscle car's rear end includes the iconic SS badge and horizontal taillights, introduced in 1964. What car is it? A. Chevrolet Impala SS. B. Chevrolet Chevelle SS. C. Pontiac GTO. D. Dodge Dart. Correct answer, A. Chevelle SS. This car's rear features a unique split rear window and two round taillights with a narrow bumper from the early 1960s. What car is it? A. Chevrolet Corvette Stingray, B. Ford Mustang, C. Dodge Viper, D. Pontiac Firebird. Correct answer, A. Chevrolet Corvette Stingray. This car's rear end includes distinctive twin circular taillights and a Road Runner emblem, introduced in 1968. What car is it? A. Plymouth Road Runner, B. Ford Mustang Mach 1, C. Dodge Charger, RT, D. Pontiac GTO. Correct answer, A. Plymouth Road Runner. This rear end features four square taillights and a broad panel, designed with sleek lines in a sports coupe style. What car is it? A. Chevrolet Corvette C2B Shelby Mustang GT500, C. Dodge Dart GT, D. Chevrolet Camaro Z28. Correct answer, D. Chevrolet Camaro Z28.